Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through using your JAS knee flexion brace to help improve bending your knee and reduce stiffness. You'll learn how to set up and put on the brace, go through the JAS therapy session, and get helpful tips for your comfort. By following these steps, you'll get the best results from your treatment. Your custom-fit JAS brace comes with the following parts: thigh assembly, the shin, also known as tibia, assembly, pull pin, therapy knob, cuff straps, and lastly, the knee strap. Setting up the brace. There are 4 pin settings that control how much the brace bends your knee. Most people begin their therapy on pin setting 1 or 2. Before you start, adjust the pull pin to the setting that matches the furthest you can comfortably bend your knee. To adjust the brace, first remove the pull pin. While holding the brace with both hands, slide the shin assembly through the groove as needed. Finally, place the pull pin in the setting that matches your range for bending the knee. To check if you have the correct pin setting, place the brace on your leg and make sure the angle matches the furthest you can bend your knee. Turn the therapy knob until the shin cuff rests against your lower leg. How to put on your brace. For your JAS therapy, it's best to sit upright in a stable seat like a dining chair. This will help you to stay in the right position throughout the session. Wearing a sock may help your foot slide easily on the floor. To get the best results, place the brace cuffs directly against your skin. Avoid fitting the brace over clothing, as this may cause it to slip out of position during use. To fit the brace, first loosen all straps, then place it over your leg and ensure the device label arrow points down over the top of your knee. Adjust the shin cuff so it's centered on your lower leg. You can do this by loosening the gray turning dial to move the cuff up or down, then tighten to secure its position. Fasten the shin and thigh straps through the D-rings and secure for a comfortable, snug fit. The knee strap offers extra support to keep the thigh cuff in place. You'll need to trim this down to your size before the first use. To do this, follow these steps. Release the strap and remove the hook and loop attachment at the end. Thread the strap through the D-ring for a snug fit around your leg and hold it in place. Measure about 10 centimeters of strap from the D-ring and trim off the excess. Reattach the hook and loop, then fasten the strap securely on your leg. If you can comfortably bend your leg more than 90 degrees, you may not need to use the knee strap. Please check you have good skin contact with no gaps between the shin and thigh cuffs while using the brace. Following your JAS therapy session. The recommended JAS therapy session is 30 minutes and is split into 6 5-minute stretches, during which you'll gently stretch your knee with the brace and hold the position. After each 5-minute stretch, pause and check the level of stretch you're feeling. Some people may be advised to start with shorter therapy sessions and gradually build up to 30 minutes. Please follow the treatment plan as recommended by your healthcare professional. We'll now go through each step of the JAS therapy session, starting with Step 1. Finding your stretch level. Before you start your session, turn the therapy knob until you feel a gentle, pain-free stretch. Use the stretch scale from 0 to 10, where 0 means no stretch and 10 is a stretch that causes pain. For the best results, aim for a gentle stretch level of 2 or 3 on this scale. Never push yourself to a painful stretch. This won't help you improve faster, and it could affect your JAS therapy results. Once you've found your pain-free stretch level, you're now ready to begin your treatment. Step 2. Hold your stretch position. Hold your gentle stretch position for 5 minutes. Once this time is up, pause and check the following. If your stretch level has reduced, turn the therapy knob until you feel a level 2 or 3 stretch again. If you feel no change in the stretch level, leave the therapy knob in the same position. If the stretch level has increased, rotate the therapy knob in the opposite direction to lower your stretch back to a gentle level 2 or 3. Repeat this process for 6 stretches to complete a 30-minute therapy session. Adjusting the pull pin. As you progress with your JAS therapy, you may find you can no longer turn the therapy knob. This likely means you've reached the end of the stretch range and it's time to move on to the next pull pin setting. You can do this by removing the brace from your leg and winding back the therapy knob. Take out the pull pin. Slide the shin assembly out until it reaches the next notch. Reinsert the pull pin to secure and place the brace back on your leg to continue your therapy session. Ending the treatment. After you've completed your 30-minute treatment, carefully turn the therapy knob to release the stretch and unfasten the straps. Gently remove the brace from your leg. It's common to feel some joint stiffness following your JAS session. To relieve this, gently straighten and bend your leg. Congratulations on completing your JAS therapy session. Please follow the treatment plan as recommended by your healthcare professional. If you have any questions or experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare team for assistance. Thank you for watching.